I'm Mike King, Director of Emergency Communications Solutions here at Esri. You know, we've been working around the clock on tools and capabilities for the world's emergency dispatch centers. In some areas of the world, they're referred to as public safety answering points, PSAPs, and in other places, command and control centers. Regardless, the purpose is universal. It's to route first responders to people in need. I'm really excited to share how the state of Illinois is using ArcGIS Hub to collaborate with more than 130 PSAPs across the region, directly benefiting the roughly 13 million residents who reside there. I've asked one of our Chicago-based solution engineers, Matt Robinson, to share what Illinois has built. Matt?
So we're going to start here on the state of Illinois' NextGen 911 Hub site. And the Hub site is built using ArcGIS Hub within ArcGIS Online, and it provides a configurable site builder experience that you can build out for a variety of different initiatives. In this case, the state of Illinois has an initiative to create a standard NextGen 911 data set to support their efforts. So here we have a public-facing Hub site that provides a high-level overview of the statewide 911 administrator. And then we can also access an about page in case the public or any other agency is interested to learn more about what NextGen 911 is. So just a high-level pieces of information about NextGen 911 in the state. We also have access to a couple of other pages that the 911 administrator has linked up here on the top, so you can also link out to outside pages, and it doesn't have to be an actual Hub site. But what I want to focus in on is the capability for ArcGIS Hub to not only share data publicly, but also privately. So in this case, the state of Illinois wanted to create a small community of users within their 911 authorities or their PSAPs. So I'm going to go ahead and log into this environment with a community identity. And these community identities are made available through Hub Premium, and they're accessible to any partners that the state is working with. In this case, they're partnering with all of the PSAPs or 911 authorities. So the 911 authorities can sign up for a free community account, and with that account, they're able to log in and get access to private content. So you can see a couple additional tabs popping up here in the Hub site. These are private pages that are not available to the public, and they provide PSAPs with the data and information that they need to not only get their local data into the proper format, but also to submit it up to the centralized Hub. They've broken up the Hub into several different pages. The most important one is probably the submission guidelines for the PSAPs. So they have a schedule for each of their boundaries and their 911 data layers, so the PSAPs understand when those deadlines are. And then they also have a link to their template where you can download and understand what the state is expecting of the local data. In addition, because ArcGIS Hub is directly connected to your GIS, you're able to link to and embed different maps and web applications. In this case, we're looking at a web application that is going to show all of the submitted data for the 911 authorities across the state. And so as more and more 911 authorities submit data, more and more data sets will appear here in the web application for the 911 authorities to view privately within this Hub. In addition, we've also created a private Geonet community for the users to ask each other questions, to solve any issues that they have when they're editing and modifying their data. And that link takes you directly to this Geonet community, which is a private community and only accessible through the Hub community identities that the PSAPs have signed up for. So here they can ask questions of their fellow users, work through any issues that they're having, and have an overall community here when they're asking questions and working through issues. Then we also provide information related to training and other events that are occurring around NextGen 911 in Illinois. And so this can include an event calendar that the users can submit events. This could be conferences, they could be trainings, and they're all managed here within the Hub interface. Having a community identity within the Hub provides access for the PSAPs to all of Esri's free training. And so there's a variety of different training depending on the type of user you are, whether you're a data maintainer, a data steward, or more of a higher level 911 administrator. there are trainings available through Esri Training that you can access with your free community identity. And then the final step is related to the data workflow. How does a PSAP actually get their local data into the statewide standard and then share that up here with the hub? And so this is all done through our ArcGIS Pro desktop application and some of the workflows that we've enabled in that environment. Once the data is uploaded, that's where we can come back to this screen, and any data that's uploaded into the hub can then be directly accessed and used in applications within the hub. So this could be a web mapping application. It could be a dashboard that you can use to show your 911 authorities what the status is for 911 data across the state.
Thanks a lot, Matt. I hope that you found this information to be useful and compelling. If you'd like to learn more, please reach out to your local Esri account manager or to the public safety team. Have a great day and check us out at esri.com/911.